Hello! In this video, I will show you how to integrate LifterLMS with AffiliatePress. Now, go to the AffiliatePress settings page. Open the Integrations tab. This is the AffiliatePress integration page. Here you can see 22 plus default integrations. Enable LifterLMS integration. Now set AffiliatePress integration option. Reject commission on refund, cancel expire, and trash order. After setting all options, click the Save button. Save the changes. Now go to the Affiliates page. This is the AffiliatePress Affiliates page. Here you can see all the affiliate users for this site. Using an affiliate link, the customer visits your website. The customer opens your link and then purchases the LifterLMS course. Open the LifterLMS courses page. This is the LifterLMS courses page. Scroll down and click to Purchase Now button. This is the LifterLMS purchase page. Enter the billing information, filling all details, and set the payment method. After that, click to Buy Now button. The course was purchased successfully. However, due to manual payment, the payment status will be marked as pending. Go to the backend side, AffiliatePress commission page. This is the AffiliatePress commission page. Here you can see all the commission-related records. See, the first record is LifterLMS course commission. Go to the Affiliate User Affiliate panel, which is the Affiliate User Edit Profile page. Now open the Commission tab. Here you can see the affiliate user commission records and other details. AffiliatePress also sets Disable Commission on a course-wise. Go to the LifterLMS Courses page. This is the LifterLMS Courses page. Here is the course list. Now add a new course or otherwise edit the existing course. Go to the bottom side and see the AffiliatePress section. Open this section. Enable this option and disable commission in this product. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.